Psalm 23.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me, ano ko na ba? He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul.
He leads me in the paths of righteousness.
He leads me in the paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Yes, even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table in the presence of mine enemies.
You anoint my head.
Yeah. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Yay! Good morning, everyone.